Welcome back, everyone. We're going to play a little game this time with this video. I'm going to show you 5 tools that are not common that you might not know about. I want to see if you can guess what they are and what they're used for. Do not look ahead in the comments down below, but before looking into the comments, I want you to post what you think these tools are for, what they are, what they do, and without reading down below to get hints from everyone else that's going to comment. Okay, so five tools. Let me know what you think they do and what they are, and we'll see how many of you can get the 5 answers correct. Okay, so first one. Now, one or two of these might be pretty easy for you, but for a lot of you, you will not know. I'm pretty certain of it. So this is the first one. Do you know what this is? What this is for? Any idea? Okay, tool number 1. See if you can guess. Put your answer in the comment below. You can put them all together in the same comment if you like. This one here. What do you think this is? It's like a bristle, it's a metal bristle on here, like a brush, but what do you do with this? What's it for? What do you think? Okay, that's 2. Number 3. What is this for? Now, I actually did a video where I used this tool. Some of you have been with me for a couple of years. It's one of my earlier videos. What is this for? What do you think this is for? What does this do? I have so many tools at home, things that were passed to me from my grandfather. Anyway. What is this tool? What do you think you use this for? I am going to do a video on this tool. That's coming up probably soon. Okay? The last one. Let's see who gets this one. What is this tool? Okay. Be interesting to see what your comments are down below. See how many of you can get the answers correct. We'll do another guessing game on another video soon. Thanks for watching, and I'm just curious to see how many of you know the answers to these. Talk to you soon.